Hello, in this video I will show you how to add the quiz questions that allow learners to upload a file or record an audio or video response. Let's go through each type. If you need a learner to submit a file in response to a quiz question, select the file upload question type. To complete this, go to Desired Quiz, click Add Question and choose File Upload. After adding the question, enter the question text and, if necessary, add a description. You can also add multimedia if you need. In the additional settings of this type of questions, you can add image, add a note, create master, add text, or delete the questions. The next question type is audio. This is useful if you need to collect an audio answer from a learner. Click Add Question and choose Audio. Enter the question text and description, including multimedia if needed. In the additional settings from this question type, you can add image, add a note, create master, add text, or delete a question. To collect a video answer from a learner, you can choose video question type. Enter the question text, description, and multimedia if you need it. Additional settings from this question allows you to add an image, add a note, create master, add text, or delete a question. After adding all questions, save the quiz by clicking Save. From the learner perspective, this type of questions appears as follows. File upload. Learners will see the questions and can upload a single file from their device. If multiple files are needed, you can create several questions. We choose file from our device and go from another questions. Audio answer. Learners will see the questions and can record their answer by pressing the appropriate button. They click the button and can record their response. They also can record their answer one more time. The last one, video answer. Learners will see the questions and can record that video answer. Before recording audio and video answers, we recommend that learners ensure they have granted all necessary permissions in the browser settings. We click Record the audio answers and stop when we need. We also can record the video answers one more time. If we want to send this answer, we just click Finish. I hope this helps and good luck with your academy!